Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I will show you the possible causes that may be draining your device's battery faster. iPhone batteries are smaller compared to other smartphones, so a minor change in the settings of your device can make a big difference in its duration. So get comfortable because we are going to start. But first, if you want to know more tricks about iPhone, please subscribe to this channel. Let's focus on the battery itself. Go to Settings. Then you are going to look for the Battery tab. Tap on Battery Health. In this section, you can see the current capacity of your battery. If your battery is below 80%, it is recommended that you get a replacement, as the lower its capacity, the less time it will last and your device may start to shut down unexpectedly. Now I am going to give you some tips that will be very useful. Following these steps, your device will maintain the charge for a longer time. Battery usage and background apps. The first thing you are going to do is analyze which applications are the ones that consume the most battery. To do this, again, go to the Settings and then to the Battery tab. Here you will get a complete analysis of the battery usage on your device. If you notice that some of these apps have been consuming more battery than they should, it may be running in the background. Go back to Settings, go to General, and then to Background App Refresh. Here you will see all the applications that use the resources of your device even when they are not open. What I recommend is that you disable those that you do not need and leave the applications that are essential for you. And although it is not very noticeable, I assure you that there will be a change in your battery life. We move on to the next tip. Auto lock. The duration of the screen lock can affect the life of your battery to a lesser extent, since this is the time it takes for your device to lock when you are not using it. To change this, go to Settings, then to Display and Brightness, and finally tap on Auto Lock. What I recommend is that you use the option of at least 30 seconds or at most the option of 2 minutes, since, for example, if you leave your device unlocked, even when you're not using it, this can drain 2 to 5% of your battery. Raise to Wake. In this same tab, you can turn off Raise to Wake because this function also uses a small part of your battery. If you don't want to make these changes, don't worry, because I still have more tips to show you. Black background and dark mode. Since the iPhone X, Apple uses OLED screens, these screens use less power when it comes to dark pixels, so using a black wallpaper and also turning on dark mode can save you quite a bit of battery. Low power mode. Low power mode reduces the amount of power your iPhone uses. I recommend this mode since you will not notice any negative change in the performance of your device, and at the same time you will be saving battery. These tips may seem a bit irrelevant, but I guarantee that if you use them, they will have a great impact on the battery of your iPhone. I recommend that you try them and then leave me a comment telling me about your experience. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.